Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to get the teenage filter on TikTok. To make it easier, we'll be using straightforward process. Let's first access your TikTok application and just go to the search panel. Then type in teenage filter or teenage filter effect and look for videos where people are using this filter. And then click on the top liked video and this will appear showing the filter's name. Tap on the filter's name, the teenage look, and this will take you to a page with the Use This Effect panel at the bottom. Click on the red button and it will bring two different panels, one for the teenage look and the other for the older look. Hold down the record button and create a video of yourself looking younger. You always have the option to add song. After recording the video, click on the check mark, then on next, and you can now post it. So there you have it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.